Welcome back to Amazing Car, where we dive deep into the world of iconic automobiles, and today we're going to take a close look at the 2025 Toyota MR2, a car that blends modern innovation with a nod to its legendary past. This new MR2 marks the return of a much-loved sports car, bringing back the spirit of a true driving machine, but with a contemporary twist. Let's start by exploring the interior design and features of the 2025 MR2. Inside the cabin, Toyota has maintained its minimalist yet functional design ethos, focusing on driving experience and comfort. The cockpit is driver-centric, with controls that are intuitively placed to enhance the connection between car and driver. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing support during spirited driving, yet still comfortable enough for daily commutes. The materials used are a mix of high-quality leather and soft touch surfaces, which give the interior a premium feel. There's also a focus on technology with a large touchscreen display that houses Toyota's latest infotainment system. It's fast, responsive, and compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easy to stay connected on the road. The digital instrument cluster is another highlight, offering customizable display options that allow the driver to prioritize performance metrics, such as lap times or engine temperature. Now, let's talk about performance, which is the heart and soul of the Toyota MR2. The 2025 model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which delivers an exhilarating balance of power and efficiency. It produces around 300 horsepower, giving the car more than enough grunt for quick acceleration and agile handling. Toyota has also integrated a rear-wheel drive layout, which adds to the excitement. The MR2 is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who prefer a more engaging driving experience. However, an optional automatic gearbox is available for those who want a more relaxed ride. The car's lightweight construction, combined with precision engineering, ensures exceptional cornering ability and overall agility. Historically, the Toyota MR2 has been a beloved sports car, with its first generation debuting in the 1980s. Since then, the MR2 has become a symbol of affordable, mid-engine driving fun. With the 2025 version, Toyota has carefully preserved that legacy while introducing cutting-edge technology and performance upgrades. It's clear that the MR2 continues to live up to its reputation as a thrilling sports car for enthusiasts. In terms of features, the 2025 Toyota MR2 offers modern amenities like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a premium sound system. These features ensure that, while you're having fun on the road, you're also driving safely and comfortably, whether you're tackling tight corners on your favorite twisty road or cruising on a highway. The 2025 Toyota MR2 offers an exciting ride with all the tech you need. That's a quick overview of the 2025 Toyota MR2, a perfect blend of history, design, performance, and modern technology. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews here on Amazing Car.